Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable camera on Android, whether you want to block camera access for specific apps or completely turn it off. So let's get straight into it. First method is disable camera access for a specific app. Go to your settings, then tap on Apps. After that, go to App Management. Tap on it. Now select the app you want to restrict. For example, social media or messaging apps. Next, tap on Permissions, then select Camera and choose Don't Allow. That's it. Now that app won't be able to use your camera anymore. You can repeat this step for any other app you want to block. Now, the second method is to completely disable camera access on Android. Go back to Settings, then open Privacy or Security and Privacy. Here you can see Privacy Controls. Tap on. Here, look for Camera Access or Camera Toggle. Simply turn it off. Once disabled, no app, even system apps, will be able to use your camera. If you open the camera, it will ask you to enable access again. So yeah, that's the easiest way to block camera access on Android completely or for specific apps. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.